Are you struggling with a pesky error while trying to create your app from Python code? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when using Py2app. I totally get how frustrating it can be when everything seems to be going well, and then you hit a wall with an error message. It can feel like you're so close, yet so far from your goal. You're definitely not the only one who has faced this. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user reached out with a question about an error they encountered while running setup.py. They received a message stating that a specific file, libpython3.6.dylib, does not exist, even though a similar file, libpython3.6m.dylib, is present. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The difference between libpython3.6.dylib and libpython3.6m.dylib can be a bit confusing. The M in libpython3.6m.dylib indicates that it is a version compiled with a specific configuration. This can lead to compatibility issues when your setup script is looking for the standard version. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to resolve this issue and get your app up and running smoothly. To address the issue with the missing library, the user should first confirm the existence of the library files in the specified directory. They can do this by navigating to the folder using the terminal. Next, the user should create a symbolic link to resolve the naming discrepancy. This will allow the application to find the library it needs. The command for this is straightforward. After creating the symbolic link, the user should try running the setup script again. This time, it should locate the library without any issues. If the user still encounters issues, they may want to check their Python environment settings. Ensuring that the correct Python version is being used can help avoid further conflicts. Finally, if the problem persists, the user can consider reinstalling the necessary Python packages or even Anaconda itself to ensure everything is configured correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Python was named after the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus? Just like that show, sometimes coding can feel like a circus act. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to create a symlink to the existing library file. However, the user faced issues with this method. Instead, they found success by using a virtual environment that utilizes a Python framework, allowing Py2app to locate the library correctly. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your library paths and file names when working with Python. It can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get back to building your app. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. And remember, every problem has a solution.